can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin over the last 1 month has rallied up by 18%. The last 1 year has seen Bitcoin rally up by 128%. Bitcoin currently sits around its 200-day moving average. Bitcoin trades above $63,000. Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market is 58%. Right now, sentiment is neutral in the cryptocurrency market. We're taking a look at news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. How high can Bitcoin pump in the month of October? This month is proving to be a very, very bullish month. Hopefully, we can have a huge pump before the end of the month. We're talking about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin has market cap of $1.26 trillion. Bitcoin right now is up 2.7% on a daily time frame. We start October on a very dumpy note. First 2 days of October saw Bitcoin dumping to gobbling town. Bitcoin ended September on a very bright note. We ended the month of September with Bitcoin trading around $65,000. But the first 2 days of October, I seen Bitcoin dump by around 9%. That dump took Bitcoin back to as low as $59,000. Fear returned back to the cryptocurrency market. We saw sentiment change from greed back to neutral and back to a little fear. Right now, sentiment is back to neutral in the cryptocurrency market. In the coming days and coming weeks, guys, we expect sentiment to shift back to greed. Bitcoin is currently trading at $63,000. The $63,000 level was where Bitcoin was trading way back in February of 2024, way back in the 4th of March of 2024, and way back on the 1st of July of 2024. Bitcoin has traded majority of 2024 above $30,000. Bitcoin started the year trading above $30,000 and was spent most of the year above that $30,000 level, and it has gotten a lot of market participants complacent. Right now, the vibes are dead, even though Bitcoin trades above $63,000. And it's not supposed to be so like that. It's not supposed to be like that, guys. Bitcoin is still trading at a very high valuation. If Bitcoin is ranging back to its 200-week moving average, we could easily see Bitcoin trading at $39,000 to $40,000, and that dump can come very, very quickly. So we have to be happy with what Bitcoin is giving us right now, which is a pump around the $63,000 level. And on a long-term perspective, guys, Bitcoin has been ranging for over 9 months right now around the previous all-time high. Logic will lead us to think that it's either we are getting ready for one of the biggest pump Bitcoin has seen in history, or we're getting ready for one of the biggest dump Bitcoin has seen in history. Let's take a look at news stories going around the market. How are market perceiving Bitcoin's price action? Sentiment is neutral. Bitcoin is still the best performing asset after week Q3. Bitcoin is currently exactly where it was at the last 2 cycles, says NYDIG research head Greg Cipolaro, who said crypto could be in for a big Q4. Q4 has always been a very nice time for crypto. Q4 has always been a very, very nice time for Bitcoin. Anytime Bitcoin has a very green September, it ends up having a green October, a green November, and a green December. The last time we had a green September was in 2023. We ended up having a green October, a green November, a green December. Before that, we had to go back to 2015 and 2016, where we both had a green September, a green November, a green December. And guys, maybe just maybe this time it's not different. Maybe just maybe Bitcoin might have a very, very bullish October. But let's not get carried away. Let's just see the big picture for what it is. Bitcoin is going through distribution. Bitcoin has been in a bull cycle since November of 2022. So November of 2024 will be 2 years on that Bitcoin had a bottom. Will the bull market continue? Let's see more news stories in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin short-term holders likely taking on more risks as realized cap drops by $6 billion. Bitcoin short-term holders are likely taking on more risks amidst long-term holders likely taking profit, according to crypto analysts. Short-term holders seems to be turning bullish on Bitcoin as Q4 begins, despite concerns that October is not off to a flying start. Over the past 7 days, short-term holders' realized capital has jumped by $6 billion. The bulls are betting the price of Bitcoin will go to higher values. The bears are betting we'll see a dump to gobbling town. October is going to be the month we're going to see who is going to win. Because, guys, I believe we're going to start November with a lot of volatility. November is going to be the US elections. November is going to be when the Fed is going to continue cutting interest rates. So I believe we're setting up for a very, very volatile November. right now. We're having a very great October. Let's enjoy it while it lasts. The market is pumping, Bitcoin is pumping, Bitcoin realized price rejection hints BTC price weakening, BTC holders realize cap sees a snap drop while speculators get more confident in market trajectory. We saw Bitcoin pumping above $65,000 last week, and we saw a lot of market participants calling for 100k Bitcoin, 125k Bitcoin, outrageous price target. When time Bitcoin starts dumping below $65,000, we see the bears coming out thinking of outrageous price targets to the downside. Likely, the $65,000 level is going to be an interesting level in the coming days and the coming weeks. Hopefully, we see Bitcoin rallying above it. But guys, Bitcoin's market cap sits at $1.26 trillion. I believe Bitcoin's market cap can still rally to as high as 1.3 trillion. Bitcoin's market cap, the highest we've seen it in this cycle, has been around the 1.46 trillion dollar region. That was an all-time high for Bitcoin. Bitcoin was trading around $70,000 when it got that high. Since then, since the 13th of March 2024, we have seen Bitcoin dump to gobbling town with its market cap briefly going below $1 trillion in August of 2024. And Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market sits at 58%. Bitcoin dominance looks to be topping. We have been waiting for Bitcoin dominance to put signal in the top, but over the last few months, over the last few weeks, Bitcoin dominance has just been grinding sideways, briefly putting in the top. In September, Bitcoin dominance was at 57% in the 5th of August 2024. Since then, Bitcoin dominance has rallied to as high as 58.5%. Right now, Bitcoin dominance sits at the 58% region. And guys, in the coming days and the coming weeks, we might see a crash in Bitcoin dominance. If you take a look at general cryptocurrency market right now, the altcoin market is doing better than Bitcoin. Just on a daily time frame, a lot of altcoins have seen double-digit gains across the board. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is up 2.6%. On a monthly time frame, Bitcoin is up 18%. Altcoins are up huge double digits. Some altcoins are even up triple digits on a monthly time frame. So guys, in the coming days and in the coming weeks, we have to pay attention to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price sits at the 200-day moving average. Summary of what we have said in this video. We have been waiting for Bitcoin over the last few weeks to rally back to that 200-day moving average. We saw Bitcoin even blast above it ending September on a very bright note. Maybe just maybe in October, Bitcoin is ready for that $70,000 rally. But guys, the way market participants are getting optimistic, the way market participants are complacent right now, expecting higher prices, it's a no-give, it's a foregone conclusion. Do you think the market is setting up for one big dump to gobbling town? History has shown over time that when the Fed starts cutting interest rate, it might be short-term bullish for the market, but eventually we will get that big dump to gobbling town. I'm semi-bullish. I expect us to still have one rally to the upside, but I think that rally is almost over for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very close to its all-time high. Bitcoin is around 15% away from its all-time highs. Do you think we can enter all-time high in 2024? Can Bitcoin blast above $73,000 before the end of the year? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Guys, if you want to join our membership, if you want to support the channel, you can join the membership. There will be exclusive videos for members. There will be some perks for members. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.